Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff. Today is Tuesday, October 9th of 2018. It's great to see all of you back at school today. I hope all of you had a great time over the weekend. So I know that your teachers and myself are excited to have you back at school and ready to start out another great week with you. So a couple of announcements for October birthdays. We have quite a bit. So we have Levi Barnacle, we have Michael Doherty, we have Isaiah Salinas, we have Matthew Shepard, Eli Gittleson, and Isabel Sausalito. So happy birthday to all of you. I hope that if you're having birthday plans, then happy birthday to you in advance. If you already did your birthday, I hope you got a lot of good things, and if not, hopefully you got a piece of cake. How about that? All right. For a reminder, boys and girls, today you have choir for 4th and 5th grade, and also Young Rembrandt starts on Thursday. So choir today, Young Rembrandt's on Thursday. Lunch choices, we have Italian grilled cheese with sauce, beef nachos, or parfait with graham cracker. And today, I thought I would share another video about bullying. So this video here is a little bit longer. It's about 4.5 minutes. But it kind of goes through a lot of the things that the boys and girls had talked about last week about bullying when we did Stomp Out Bullying Week.
Hi, I'm Maya.
And I'm Darius.
And we have to talk about something.
It's bullying.
When people think of bullying, they think of kids getting shoved into lockers or having their heads flushed in a toilet. But the truth is, bullying can be a lot more complicated than that.
Bullies use their power to hurt or control others. And they might make you feel unsafe in places where you should feel protected.
And that's not okay. Your school, sports teams, and after-school clubs have to be safe spaces for everyone. There was a time when I didn't feel welcome at school. Some girls that I thought were my friends had decided I wasn't cool enough for them. Everywhere I went, they either laughed at me, made fun of me, or ignored me altogether. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, there was a time when I didn't feel safe at school. I started to dread coming to football practice because one of my teammates would always take the drills too far. It didn't seem like anyone noticed. I mean, the coach was too busy focusing on the whole team to see me being bullied.
No one ever has the right to hurt you or make you feel unsafe.
The problem is, bullying is hard to stop. And that's because most people's first reaction to bullying is to ignore it. You may feel like it will go away, but the problem with ignoring it
is that it won't stop, and it might even get worse. Maybe you're embarrassed, or you want to believe that it's not a big deal.
Or maybe you're afraid that telling will make it worse, or that whoever you need to tell won't understand, or be able to help.
But trust us, because we've been there. If you're being bullied, there's only one way to deal with it.
Stop, walk away, and tell an adult. Stop taking the abuse.
Get yourself away from the situation.
And go talk to an adult you trust. Tell them everything.
Parents, teachers, counselors, and coaches' first priority is your safety. Believe me, there are adults that want to help you.
Bullies might scare you out of telling, but if you tell an adult, the bullying is more likely to stop.
The adults in our lives won't tolerate bullying, but we can't tolerate it either. We have to stand up for each other, and we all know, some kids get it the worst.
So boys and girls, if you know of yourself or anybody else who has been bullying, like I said, is to stop, walk away, tell an adult. I know that students had talked about that last week a couple different times. That's the best advice I can give you, and that's the best thing that your classmates had said too. You've got to tell an adult about it so that we can make it stop. So at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure that you're standing. Put your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys and girls. Thank you very much for your help. All right, boys and girls, today is yours. Make it a great day. Make those appropriate choices and know that you can do it. And then make sure that you're doing the best you possibly can in school. We're all very proud of you. Let's make sure that you have a great day.